Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So it is BoxyCharm Wednesday, and we are going to go ahead and do a look, you guys. Now, I will let you know now, a lot of products, well, not a lot, so like half, a good portion of the products are not from BoxyCharm. They're actually from my everyday makeup bag for the month of September. So I'm going to be utilizing some of these products too. Now, I also want to share. You guys remember how I received this palette in my BoxyCharm Luxe box here? Well, you guys, was it Luxe or Premium? I believe it was Luxe. I received this, what is this? Volume 1 Cab Beauty. It's a face palette. Let me just take it out, you guys. Yes, I already received this. I believe it was in my Luxe box. So this is what it is. It says Contour Cab Beauty, and I told you guys I wasn't going to swatch it because they were sending me another one. Well, right before the other item came, I'm showing you what it looks like. Woohoo! With the plastic. They had sent me another email saying that they end up sending the same exact palette. The same exact palette. So, I have another one here. So, I am going to swatch this one and play with this one with you guys, and then I have one over here that's going to go in my giveaway bin. Okay, same one, volume 1, same exact palette. I haven't even taken the plastic off of this. All I did was take it out the box. So that's going to be put in a giveaway, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and see how it actually works for me. If it doesn't work for me, I know exactly who I can send it to. I can send it to my best friend, and she would love this palette. So alright, so you guys, I have been lacking in doing my skincare lately. So the first thing I'm gonna do, as you can see, I already did my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Skin Ink supplement bar. This is their serum cocktail. This is my daily dose cocktail here. This came in a BoxyCharm a while ago, and you guys, I just started pulling it out to use it. It did come sweet sealed, and I'm just gonna take a few drops of that serum. I'm actually not filming at nighttime today. As you can see, part of my curtain is open. It's daytime, y'all. Okay, it's daytime actually. Yes, finally. Normally I film at night. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna try out this product today with you guys. This is the Fourth Ray Beauty Strawberry Papaya Face Milk. This came in a BoxyCharm. It's like a skincare product as well. I'm going to test this out. I'm going to take a couple of drops of that right here on the dropper. Okay, like one drop because it's like a pinky white shade. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like strawberries. It reminds me of like a strawberry smoothie. So now that I have my skincare on, I'm going to let that sit a little bit. But now I'm going to do my hands, you guys. And like I said, I pulled out some stuff. If y'all new to my channel, okay, I do BoxyCharm Wednesdays, which is I use products from the past, future, and present boxes. So, past, future, and present boxes. And I go back. Sometimes I go all the way back into my BoxyCharm products. Sometimes I try to come up a little closer. I really don't know any BoxyCharm spoilers because I try not to look at them. I want to be surprised when I receive my monthly box. So, yeah. So here we go. I'm going to be using this Greengrass. This is their CBD head to toe cream. I'm actually going to use this on my hands, you guys. So I'm going to use this like for a hand cream today. Put it on my hands. It's kind of a thin product, but it really does moisturize your hands for the the time you put it on. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and play with some eye primer, you guys, and I'm gonna play with this Pedro Primo primer, long wearing sticky pigment based primer. Came in a BoxyCharm a while back. This is from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. And the palettes I'm going to be using today are my Natasha my Natasha Denona palette. This is their Ayana palette. This came in a previous BoxyCharm. And I want to play with the Dazzling Diamonds palette here from, who are you from again? Miss Charlotte Tilbury from CT. Okay, we're gonna be using this palette here. So we're gonna be using those two palettes today, and I'm gonna go ahead clean up underneath my brows real quick. So now I'm gonna go in with this primer. I did use my MAC Pink Pot on top of my lid just a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that to my eye as well. So going in with my Natasha Denona palette, I want to go in first with this shade here, which is called Harlow. So I want to go in with Harlow first, kind of to like of course use as my transition to set my brow area, just underneath my brow just a little bit. So the next shade I want to go in is with this shade right there. I hope you guys can see that shade. And that shade is called Crease. And we are going to use that shade in our crease today. I'm going to try to take not so much. We're just going to run this right in here. I wanted to do more of like a warm look, but then I was like, I want to use this palette, so. I'm actually going to go in with my Essence bronzer right here, and I'm going to run my brush in there just a little bit to kind of warm up that other shade. So I want to go back in with this shade here, and I want to apply that all over my lid. I'm saying all over my lid, but like this spot we can still see the eyeshadow primer. That's where I want to place this at. Now with that part done, I want to go into my Charlotte palette here. If you've never seen it, this is what the palette looks like. It's very, very pretty. I use this shade a lot, as you can tell. We're actually going to be using that shade today. I'm going to go in with my brush here, and I am going to add that to like the very center of this eye look right here. Just like that, like gives me a little something. It's more so like this can be like more of like an everyday look, but it gives you a little bit of some glow. Where's my mascara? And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this Fenty Beauty mascara. It came in a BoxyCharm, so that's what I'm using today. Now I did get the new, or not, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, the Iconic London mascara. Yeah, I'm not going to play with that today. Was that a mascara or was that an eyeliner? Hold up. Yeah, that mascara. I won't be playing with that today. So now moving on to the face, I'm going to take my HourGlass highlighting stick. This is a BoxyCharm product, or it came in a BoxyCharm, and it's from HourGlass. And I currently have this in my project pan, you guys. So I'm just going to add some highlight. So next, I think I have one more use out of this, CC cream from e.l.f., not from BoxyCharm. And we're going to go ahead, and this will be my foundation for today. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the same one I used earlier. This one here is not from BoxyCharm. It's actually, I picked this one up. Mine's up at Walmart. But this is from the brand The Lip Bar. And I have the shade, I believe it's Cinnamon. Yeah. So that's my concealer. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and set underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to go in with my Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. Now I did use up the one that came in my BoxyCharm when I received this the first time. So this is actually a second one I had that I had purchased, you guys, on my own. So I'm just going to go ahead and set down my concealer. And I'm going to go back in with this bronzer here. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of it and try to sweep it down the bridge of my nose, you guys. Ah, wrong brush. That has glitter on it. Oh well. Oh well, we already started. It's okay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this Cab Cosmetics right here. We're going to jump into this palette, and this is Volume 1. This is their contour palette. I've noticed that we've been getting, or I have been getting, a lot of face palettes from BoxyCharm. It's not a bad thing. Oh, good, this flips back. So here is the whole palette. We got a white, I'm not going to touch. We got a nude, banana. We got a vanilla bean, raw, sand, what does that say? Suntan and caramel. So I am going to swatch these right here, those two. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna try this again, y'all. Okay. Let's see if it makes a difference on the brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix in those two right there. We gonna see if it does anything. It gives like a slight warmth. I don't know if you guys can see that, but a very slight one. Like, this will not be the palette I keep. I will be sending this to my bestie. Let's see. Oh, okay. I am going to try the color here, Sand. Okay. And we're gonna see, does this lighten up this area? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sand works, you guys. Sand works. It has like a peachy undertone. You guys, that is working to highlight this area. I might just have to keep this palette for this shade here. Let's try a little bit of this one, Raw, right here. Okay. Even more of a highlighted feel, but I feel like this one will be more of like a flashback. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's currently in my project pan, so that is why I'm using it. Some of that, just some of that. We're not going to go all crazy today, y'all. We're not going to go all crazy, you know. I do like the natural look, but I do like having that little bit of glow, of luster. Alright, beautiful. So that is the finished look right here. I like how everything came together. I know I probably could use a blush, but you guys, I'm not really into a blushy look right now. So I will let you know. You are pretty sure you already seen this look already, because as of right now, I'm about to film another video with the same exact look on here. So you're going to see that video before this video. And if you already saw that video, hey, give me a thumbs up, you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember to embrace your beauty. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.